Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with a Amazon haul. This is a lot of the stuff that I got over the Prime Early Access sale, and I'll start with this. And this is also things from that Salesaholic group that I'm in. That's where this came from. This is veterinarian formulated. It's Happy Go Healthy supplement, gut health, and you put it on top of your dog's or puppy's food. Just a very tiny scoop, which I've already used it because we were looking for this, and because our dog has diarrhea all the time. But just a tiny scoop of food that goes on. It's like a probiotic and a prebiotic. So and our dog, because she's little, she only gets half a scoop every other day. So I got that. The next thing I got was some dog toys. These were marked way down. I think this was $3 and originally it's like $20. So these were marked way down. They're just pull toys for your dog. And one is I think a raccoon, and one is a monkey. And I think I paid $6.99 for those. So not bad. The next big thing I got was this Purex bag. It comes with 20% more, so you get 70 packs. And this was $14, so it was marked down. And I'm going to link everything down below in the description. So I picked up some of these. The next thing I got was this Foldable Mag Stand. It's just a foldable phone stand. You put your phone on it, and it has a cutout for your, either a mag or a, whatever they're called, pop socket. So I picked that up. This was like, gosh, I think this was $3. I picked up another one of the right angle cords, C cord with USB. I want to use it in my bedroom. We got one for our chargers in the living room, and I want to use one in my bedroom because I read all the time and I have my phone plugged in. So it always gets bent and torn at the bottom. So I got a right angle one of those. I got some hooks for the shower. Or you can use them pretty much anywhere, but they're just sticky hooks. I can't figure out how to open them. How about that? And I think I got 20 in here. And they were on sale on that Salesaholic group. You just peel back the backing, and it's a sticky hook. I use one like this in my car to hang my keys on. It's a command hook, but I use it in my car because I have a push button start, and I'm always afraid I'm going to forget the keys, because I don't always have a pocket where I can put my keys in there. So there's 20 of these. They were like $4. I got a pair of Champion moisture wicking tights, leggings, and these were on sale for $17, and they had been like 30 some, so they were like 50% off. And then I picked up some of I needed some bags for when I ship things, so I got some pink 9x6, and I got some black that is 10x13. So this one has 100, this one has 50. So and I will link these in the prices down below in the description. And that is my Amazon haul. I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend and the start to their new week. And I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.